Hello everyone, my name is Yogi and today we are going to cover the relative minor and majors. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, then please click on this I button. Now without wasting any more time, let's start music theory. So our today's topic is relative minors and majors. Now, if you read here, just as you have close relatives in your family, so major keys have keys that are closely related. Now, in this one, they have said what is a relative minor means. Uh, in a simplest way, I will just say the major scale has the have relative minor keys. That means they both major and that minor scale shares the same key signature. Okay, now if you want to know about circle of fifth or key signatures, I've already made a video on that, so you can go to that video on my channel and find out that video over there, but that video is in Hindi. Okay, you can watch it anytime whenever you want to. Now as we go further, if you see, like, if C major, in C major we don't have any note uh, flat or sharp keys. So same way, C major's minor scale, relative minor scale, will not have any kind of sharp or flat notes in that. I will show you an example. See, in C major, in C major, you play all the white keys, right? You play all the white keys, and in so same way, if C major will have all the white keys, then the relative minor of C major will also have the all the white key. It will not have any flat or sharp sign in that. Let's move on further. As we go on to the next topic, you will easily understand that. Okay, so let's start with the first exercise. Now here they're saying, using your knowledge of the major keys from grade 1, write out the key signature of their relative minor keys. Now we have to write the relative minor key signature. Now, if you see in the first example, they have given key signature of G major. So we know in the G major we have F sharp as a key signature. So now key signature of G major's relative minor will be, it's simple, it will be same, F sharp. That's why they call the relative minor or relative major. Okay, so don't get confused if the G major will have F sharp as a key signature. So G major's relative minor will also have F sharp as a key signature. Okay, now next is C, key signature of C major. So it doesn't have any sharp or flats. So same way, the relative minor will also will not have any sharp or major keys. Okay, last one is F major. Now key signature of F major. F major we know has a B flat in that. So that means this is a treble clef. So 1, 2, 3. The third line would be a flat, B flat. So same with the key signature of F major relative minor will be B flat only, because they share the same key signature. That's why they call relative minor or relative major. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Now, as we come to the next page, you can see finding the tonic of a relative minor keys. Here they're showing us that how to find the relative minor key or relative major key. But here they're showing how to find the relative minor key. So what they're saying, that to find a relative minor key, you have to go down 3 semitones. 3 semitone steps you have to take down to find out your relative minor key. Okay, like in the C major, to find the relative minor key of C major, you have to come down 3 steps down, 3 semitones down, and you will find A minor. I will show you in a keyboard. See, this is C major. Now from C major, you have to come 3 semitones down. That means 1, 2, and 3, and you will find A. That means A minor will be the relative of C major. Now one tricky thing over here, we are saying from C is the 3 semitones. Now if you will start from C, if you count the C note first, then it will be fourth. So don't do that, that is wrong. What you have to do, you have to go from the next one, you have to count from the next one. So you will count from B, 1, 2, 3, then you will get your minor keys. If you'll count from here 1 2 3 4, that will be wrong. So make sure you don't do that. Okay, only 3 semitones from the next step. Yeah. So so I hope you understood how to find out your relative minor keys. Now let's do one exercise, so you'll get more clarity about it. See, the count down 3 semitones to find the tonic of each relative minor. So first is F major. Now we have to find out the F major relative minor. So if we see again here in this keyboard, this is our F. Now F is the F major. Now we have to find the relative minor for F major. So we will not count from F, we will count from E. So we go 1 2 and 3. So we saw that 3 is D. So that means D note, it is F, E and D. So we make, sorry, here F, E and D. So this note, this is D note is A, that means D minor scale is the relative of F major scale. Okay, I hope you understood it. Otherwise, if you see again, if you want to see, you see from this 1 2 3 steps, simple, that's where people get is 1 2 3 interval is 1 2 3, but interval is 1 2 3, but the semitones interval is different, that is 1 2 3. Remember that. Okay, so we found this. Now next is G major. For the G major, let's come to G. Now from G we go 1. See, we will not come here because we have a one black key between F and G. So we are not starting from G, but we have to start from this black key, that means G flat. So 1 2 and 3. So E is a third. So that means this is G, F and then E will be the next minor scale, relative minor scale to G major scale. Okay, now let's come to the C major. Now from C major we go 1 2 and 3, that means A minor. So A minor is the relative key of C major scale. Okay, so I hope you understood that you have to go 3 semitones down to find out your relative minor key. Now in the next question they are saying the finding the tonic of a relative major key. It's the same formula to find out relative from major to find out minor. You come down 3 steps, 3 semitones down. Now if you want to find from from minor to a major scale, same way you have to go up 3 semitones. I will show you an example. See, this is A minor, C major. So to find out from major to minor, we came down. Now from we have to find major, we have to go up. So that means 1 2 and 3. Okay, simple. This is very simple. So now we remember only D minor had D. So 1 2 3, that means F major. So D E F major is a relative of D minor. Now E minor 1 2 3, G major. That means G major is a relative of E minor. Okay, now A minor. So 1 2 3, that means C major. So C major is a relative of A minor. Okay, so I hope you understood this. This is a simple way to find out your minor and your major relatives. Okay, so now I'll see you in a next topic. Till then, thank you guys.